I was sent the GLO24K face and neck device, and I have reviewed a lot of these, so I'm really interested to see how this one stacks up. I already like the black and gold. Clearly, I like the color black. So before we even turn it on though and start, it does come with a little cap, and then you have your charging cord. This is where that will charge. Down here is where the USB is, and then you also get a little wipe for afterwards. Now you're going to want to put on serum, and they sent me 2 little samples, so I want to try those too. We have our timeless 24 karat anti-aging and our anti-aging serum and our cream. So let's do a combo. This is what the serum looks like. I'm just going to put that all over my face right now. And then I'm going to follow up. I'm going to do my neck area too, because I want to definitely hit the device with my neck. And then this is what the cream looks like. Very, very light smell. Okay, so now that your skin is hydrated, and you can use anything you want for that, we're going to begin. This is your on-off. It starts with the green right there. There's red and there's blue. Now, each of these has a different function. Blue is for your texture and your tone. That's going to be the lowest speed. Green is going to be for calming and balancing. That's your medium speed. And then red is the high speed, and that's for anti-aging. So let's begin. We'll start at blue. It vibrates. It's really soothing as you use it. You're just kind of going around your face in a way that really just makes sense. Like you're following the curvature of your face. It gets a little bit warm as it's going, and you may notice immediately your cheeks are starting to get a little red. That's the circulation of your blood. That's the lymphatic drainage going on. I like how it just beeped. Maybe it told me I can go to the next color. So let's head to green and on to red. And you only need to do this about 10 minutes a day. If you only have 5 minutes a day, do 5 minutes a day. Do whatever you can. And you need to be consistent with it to see results. So you have to do it for like at least a month every single day. But I do notice after just one time, you'll notice your skin starts looking firmer right away. And when you're done, you're just going to hit the off button. And then you do have that little wipe towel that you can wipe everything down. Pop that cap back on it for protection. And then when you're ready to, go ahead and charge it. So great device. My skin feels really, really nice. And you can see that little rosy flush in my cheeks. It probably looks a little bit firmer from when I even started the video, and that's just one-time use. But again, you got to be really consistent to see great results with this, but definitely try it out. These are amazing, and they're really soothing while you're using it as well.